Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will talk about if receiving the error Windows installer could not be accessed or started appears on your system. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. Log in as an administrator. Please ensure that you're logged in as an admin. If not, log in as an admin and try again. Does msiexec open? Open a command prompt as an administrator. Type in msiexec and hit enter. If a window opens, then fine. If you receive an error message instead, note down the error message and try to search for it on the internet. Incidentally, you'll also be able to see all of the command line switches here. One cannot, by the way, run msiexec.exe without specifying at least one switch. While we have the command prompt open, you can re-register the Windows installer engine. In the command prompt, type in the following commands. The first one will unregister it, and the second one will re-register it. Type in msiexec space / unregister and hit enter. Then type in msiexec space / reg server and hit enter. Check the Windows installer service status. Open a run box and type in services.msc and click OK. Look for Windows Installer Service. Make sure that it is set to manual. It should automatically already be set there, but if not, set it there. Then, if it is not started, click on Start and try again. Try running an SFC and a DISM scan. To do that, open the Start menu, go to the command prompt, run it as an administrator. For the SFC scan, type in SFC space / scan now and hit enter. This will scan the system for corrupted files. It may take a few minutes. When that's finished, you'll want to run a DISM scan. To do that, type in dism.exe space / online space / clean up, one word, - image space / restore health and hit enter. Depending on the level of corruption to your system, this scan could take a while, so please be patient. Once that's finished, type in exit and hit enter. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.